Welcome to today's tutorial on how to prevent using your Google account to log in on Pinterest from your PC. With recent updates, managing your login preferences has become even easier. Let's dive into the steps you need to follow. First, open your web browser and navigate to Pinterest by typing in pinterest.com. Once you're on the homepage, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you're new to the platform. Next, look for the gear icon located at the bottom left corner of your screen. This icon represents the Settings menu. Click on it to access various options that will help you customize your Pinterest experience. After clicking the gear icon, you'll see a list of settings categories. Go ahead and select Settings. This will take you to a new page where you can adjust different aspects of your account. Now, focus on the left sidebar and find the Security section. Click on it to enter the security settings for your account. This area is crucial for managing how you log in and ensuring your account remains secure. In the security settings, look for an option that says Use your Google account to log in. This feature allows users to sign in using their Google credentials. But if you prefer not to use this method, you can easily disable it. Simply toggle the switch off to prevent any future logins through your Google account. After making this change, it's essential to save your settings. Look for a confirmation button or simply ensure that the toggle is set correctly before exiting the settings page. By following these steps, you've successfully prevented Pinterest from using your Google account for login purposes. This adjustment not only enhances your privacy, but also gives you more control over how you access your Pinterest account. Thank you for joining me today. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on managing your online accounts effectively. Happy pinning!